guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're about to cook something good today. Okay, today we're gonna cook this air fried Texas toast BLT. When I say one of my favorite meals for breakfast, we cannot go wrong with this BLT. So I want y'all to sit tight, be attentive, if that's a word. Anyway, let's jump right into this recipe, you guys. I like to use the hickory smoked bacon, the thick cut. As you can see, it's cut like really thick. That's what I like to use, and I am doing it in my Ninja Foodie. I'm cooking my bacon in the Ninja Foodie, so I'm just gonna open this bacon up. And look at that. Oh, see how thick it is? So I'm just gonna lay it right on this Ninja Foodie rack. I'm gonna show you guys something. You can lay it that way, or you can do it like that over the rack, but I like to lay mine flat when I'm cooking it in Ninja Foodie, because sometimes it just be breaking all to pieces when I lay it over the rack like that to cook it. And I think that is going to do me good. Just like that. So I'm gonna close the Ninja Foodie, turn it on. Air fry 350. And we're going to do 20 minutes. No, we're going to do 10 minutes, and then we're going to check it after the 10 minutes and see how crispy it is. If it's not crispy enough, we're going to do additional 10 minutes. Start. Now that our bacon is cooking in the Ninja Foodie, I have some Texas toast bread here. I have my flat top cast iron here. So I'm going to open up this bread. I'm going to get some bread out, because we are going to toast our bread. Okay, so I have some butter. It doesn't matter if it's salted or unsalted. You can use butter. You can use, I will use butter, or I will use cooking spray. And I just want to rub it on the bottom of my pan. And I'm going to place my bread in there. And I'm going to put my oven on 350. And I'm just going to toast my bread. So while those are cooking, I am going to slice my tomatoes. So I have my slicer here. My tomato I have already washed. This is going to give me perfect size sliced tomatoes. nice size sliced tomatoes. Our bacon has cooked for 10 minutes, which is not quite crispy enough for me. I'm gonna just turn it over. And I'm gonna cook it for an additional 10 minutes. It's almost there. So we're gonna do another 10 minutes. So in the meantime, while our bacon is cooking for another 10 minutes, we get our bread out of the oven. Look at that golden brown. So if you want it a little bit more browner, because it's like crispy to the touch, you can put it in there for a little bit longer. But other than that, it is done. It's ready to be eaten. Got my lettuce and my tomatoes sliced up. Our bacon cooked for extra another 7. Didn't need the whole 10. It's nice and crispy. Look at that. She's a little hot. Our bacon done, our tomato slice, our lettuce is cut up, and our bread is toasted. This is the easy part. Putting it together and eating it. So what I'm gonna do, I have Miracle Whip. I'm gonna spread it on my toast. And this cast iron is still hot. I'm gonna get my tomatoes. I don't like the first piece. And I'm just gonna dab it with salt. Just a little. And I'm gonna crush some red peppers, crush black pepper on top of it like that. It looks something like that. No, that looks good. And I always like to put a layer of lettuce first. I just feel like it secures the tomato. When I say this cast iron is still hot, put me one more tomato, and then I lay my bacon, and then I get me some more lettuce. And I get me 2 more tomatoes. Okay, this ready to be like the bomb. Like the kids say, bet. My son is laughing at me, y'all. Like that. Take this toast bread. Look at that golden brown. That cast iron. And lay it right on top. And you got a ultimate BLT. I'm gonna have to pick this up and show you guys. Look at it. Ultimate BLT. Crispy bacon. Juicy tomatoes. Fresh lettuce. On top of that golden toasted bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my air fried ultimate Texas toast BLT. If you're new to my channel, go hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And to the next time and to the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.